Hello, today we will guide you through how to touch up your appearance in Zoom. If you want to look a little more polished on camera, Zoom includes a built-in appearance touch-up feature that can help soften your video slightly. It's a simple setting to turn on, and in this walkthrough we'll show you exactly where to find it. To begin, open the Zoom app on your computer. Make sure the app is fully loaded so you can access your account and settings without interruption. If Zoom takes a moment to launch, just wait until the main home screen appears. Once you're in the app, look to the top right corner of the Zoom window and click on your profile account icon. This is where Zoom keeps account-related options and general app controls. Clicking here will open a small menu with several choices. From that menu, click on Settings. This will open the main settings window for Zoom, where you can customize different parts of your experience, including audio, video, and visual effects. If you've never opened this area before, don't worry. Everything is organized into sections to make it easier to navigate. Next, find and click on Video and Effect. This section is where Zoom stores camera-related options and enhancements. When you open it, you should see settings that affect how you appear during meetings and video calls. After that, click on Appearance. This area focuses specifically on how your face and overall image are displayed on camera. It's useful if you want a smoother, more refined look without needing any extra software or editing tools. Now look for the option labeled Touch-Up Appearance and click the toggle button to turn it on. Once enabled, Zoom will apply a subtle softening effect to your video. This change is usually gentle, so it improves your on-camera appearance while still looking natural. If your camera preview is visible, you may notice the difference right away. That's all there is to it. You've successfully enabled the touch-up appearance feature in Zoom. If you use Zoom often for meetings, classes, interviews, or presentations, this can be a helpful setting to keep on for a more camera-ready look. As a quick tip, this feature works best when you also have good lighting and your camera is positioned at eye level. Thanks for following along, and that's how to touch up your appearance in Zoom.